another beautiful day in Arizona, and we're heading to one of our family favorites, Ned's Crazy Subs. I seriously love their club sub and their turkey sub here. They're so dang good. So let's go eat up.
It's gonna be awesome.
Sub time. You got
I got a pickle. I got salt and vinegar.
What?
And a tea.
Great choices. Mouse. Yum. Yum. What did you get, Reed?
It's like pizza sub, some
A pizza sub.
I'm gonna eat this whole thing.
All right, let's see it. How are those chips? Are those yummy? Yeah. Hi, boys. How you guys doing? Good. Hi, Zeke. Pam, what you making over there?
Refried beans, homemade refried beans,
Ooh.
Spanish rice and highlight enchiladas, and a deluxe salad.
Sounds amazing.
Pumpkin bars and s'mores for dessert.
Wow. A little pool action going on out here. Hi! Yeah! This looks like fun. Good job, Wade! Cammie and Jeff were so sweet and let us bring Zeke over. Hi, Brooklyn. It's a party in here. S'mores time!
Those on there like
oh,
that.
Yeah.
Back in my hand, and I can't breathe without you, but I have to breathe.
Bree has two. I was wondering where you've been. Hi guys! We're out making s'mores. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, so scary. Kelsey, come here. Lindy wanted to show you something. Go this way.
That's awesome.
Isn't that so cool?
That's awesome.
Love will flourish through the air into the ground. My soul is spiraling with frozen fractals all around.
Okay, Bree here is being so sweet, and she's tucking Zeke in the blankie so he's nice and cozy. Aw, Bree, do you love Zeke?
Yeah.
Guess what? He loves you. Look how cute.
It's her birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Amber! Zeke's enjoying the birthday celebrations. Here's Jake and David. And everyone's still talking to Ambi. Look what Jake found on Zeke's collar. It's a little inchworm. So cute.
I'm gonna go let him outside.
It's inchworm.
He's tickling me.
Arizona's been such a fun time. I think Zeke loved meeting the family. He was so good. Now we're just heading back home. I love that Zeke just loves to snuggle. He's so sweet. Such a good boy. Jake, did you have fun on the trip?
Yep, I had so much fun.
Such a good time.
Yeah.
Well, we're in Vegas right now and we're doing something we've never done before. We're at a dog park. Zeke's just wandering around somewhere and we picked up some Taco Bell. If you've ever had their power bowls, they are awesome. Ask for the shredded lettuce instead of romaine and it is so good. So this is the chicken power bowl. and it's seriously super yum. It's a bunch of protein and yumminess. We also like to get the bean and cheese cups and add some hot sauce. I think Zeke's enjoying the dog park. What do you feel like as a new puppy parent?
I feel like I'm getting the hang of it and I'm loving it.
Yeah?
That much I know.
How's Zeke doing on the car ride?
He's doing great. He's been just such an angel baby. He's just been snuggling up in the back with Kelsey, and I've just been listening to my audiobook.
It has been really fun.